Here's how you can change the translate language in YouTube comments. So right here I'm on a Russian video and you can see this comment in Russian. So now it says translate to Dutch. So for example, if I want to translate this to English or any other language, then this is the exact steps you need to take. So you actually have to go out of YouTube and go to your browser. So I'll just open up Safari here. And the link you want to open is my account. my account.google.com. So open this link right here. Then you'll come into this page. Here you need to make sure that you are logged into the right account, and the right account is the account that is connected to the YouTube account that you want to change the translate language in YouTube comments of. So I'm logged into the right account right here. And if you are too, what you can do is in the top right here, you can see the search icon. Just click it and type in language, or type this in whatever language your account is right now. So type language and open it up right here. So as you can see, here you have the preferred language. My preferred language is set to English United Kingdom right now. So for example, I can change this to Canada. So just click Canada and click select. So now your preferred language has been changed. This is connected to your YouTube account because Google actually owns YouTube. So when you go back to YouTube and refresh the video,
Here we have a Russian conversation.
as you can see, nothing has changed yet. It still says translate to Dutch. That's probably the same for you, and that's normal because it takes a day or two to update this. So it will take a little while to change to the translate language that you just set in your Google account. But it will change within a day or two. So that's how you can change the translate language in your YouTube comments on YouTube. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.